In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs to CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to create a natural-sounding AI voice in ElevenLabs and bring it into CapCut for your video. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. This helps you quickly find the official site without typing the full address. Look for the official ElevenLabs result and click through to the home page. Once you're on the ElevenLabs site, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll turn your script into high-quality audio. You'll see a text box where you can paste or type your prompt. For example, you might write something like, "Hello, in this video, we're going to explore how to use ElevenLabs effectively and get the best results from its features." Keep your sentences clear and conversational, and avoid overly long paragraphs. Shorter lines often produce more natural pacing. Before generating, pick a voice that matches your project. You can browse available voices and tweak settings such as stability or style if they're available in your plan. A little adjustment goes a long way. Slightly higher stability can make the delivery consistent, while a touch of style variation can add personality. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process, then preview the audio. If a word sounds off, adjust the phrasing or add punctuation to guide the rhythm. When it sounds right, save or download the audio file to your computer so it's ready for editing. Next, head over to CapCut. Open the editor and create or open your project. To bring in your voiceover, add the audio file you just created. You can import it from your computer and place it on the timeline beneath your video clips. If you're building the video around the narration, start by laying the voiceover first, then align your visuals to match the pacing. Make small adjustments to get a polished result. Trim the beginning or end of the clip to remove silence, and use fade in or fade out for smooth transitions. Set the audio volume so it's clear but not overpowering, especially if you're using background music. If you need precise timing, zoom into the timeline for frame-level control. Finally, play everything back from the beginning to confirm the sync and flow. That's it. You've generated a clean AI voice in ElevenLabs and placed it into CapCut for editing. Practice a few times with different voices and prompts to find your ideal sound, and you'll build a consistent workflow in no time.